श्री परमात्मने नमः। अथ एकादशोऽध्यायः। विश्वरूपदर्शनयोगः। अर्जुन उवाच मदनुग्रहाय परमं गुह्यम् अध्यात्मसंज्ञितम् यत्त्वयोक्तं वचस्तेन मोहोऽयं विगतो मम. Arjun said, having heard the supremely confidential spiritual knowledge which you have revealed out of compassion to me, my illusion is now dispelled. Bhavapyayau hi bhutanam Shrutau vistarasho maya Tvata kamalapatraksha Mahatmyamapi chavyayam. I have heard from you in detail about the appearance and disappearance of all living beings, O lotus-eyed one, and also about your eternal majesty. एवमेतद् यथा तत्त्वम् आत्मानं परमेश्वर द्रष्टुम् इच्छामि ते रूपम् ऐश्वरं पुरुषोत्तम. O Supreme Lord, you are precisely what you declare yourself to be. Now I desire to see your divine cosmic form, O greatest of persons. Manyase yadi tacchakyam maya drashtumiti prabho yogeshvara tato me tvam darshayatmanam avyayam. O Lord of all mystic powers, if you think I am strong enough to behold it, then kindly reveal that imperishable cosmic form to me. Shri Bhagavan Uvacha Pashya me partha rupani Shatashotha sahasrashah Nana vidhani divyani Nana varna kritini cha. The Supreme Lord said, behold, O Parth, my hundreds and thousands of wonderful forms of various shapes, sizes and colors. Pashyadityan vasun rudran Ashvinau marutastatha Bahunya drishta purvani Pashyascharyaani bharata. Behold in me, O scion of the Bharatas, the 12 sons of Aditi, the 8 Vasus, the 11 Rudras, the twin Ashwini Kumars, as well as the 49 Maruts and many more marvels never revealed before. Ihaikastham jagat kritsnam pashyatya sacharacharam mama dehe gudakesha yachanyad drashtumicchasi. Behold now, Arjun, the entire universe with everything moving and non-moving assembled together in my universal form. Whatever else you wish to see, observe it all within this universal form. Natu mam shakyase drashtum anenaiva svachakshusha divyam dadami te chakshuhu pashya me yogamaishwaram. But you cannot see my cosmic form with these physical eyes of yours. Therefore, I grant you divine vision. Behold my majestic opulence. Sanjay Uvacha Evamuktvā tato Rajan Mahayogeshvaro Harihi Darshayamas Parthaya Paramam Rupam Aishwaram. Sanjay said, O king, having spoken thus, the Supreme Lord of Yoga, Shri Krishna, displayed his divine and opulent form to Arjuna. Anekavatra nayanam Anekadbhuta darshanam Anekadivyabharanam Divyanekodhyatayudham. In that cosmic form, Arjuna saw unlimited faces and eyes, decorated with many celestial ornaments and wielding many kinds of divine weapons. Divyamalyambaradharam Divyagandhanulepanam Sarvascharyamayam Devam Anantam Vishvatomukham. He wore many garlands on his body and was anointed with many sweet-smelling heavenly fragrances. He revealed himself as the wonderful and infinite Lord whose face is everywhere. Divi Surya Sahasrasya Bhaved Yuga Paduttita Yadi Bhasadrishi Sa Syat Bhasastasya Mahatmanaha. If 1,000 suns were to blaze forth together in the sky, they would not match the splendor of that great form. Tatraikastham jagat kritsnam pravibhaktam anekadha apashyad deva devasya sharire pandavastada. There Arjuna could see the totality of the entire universe established in one place, in that body of the God of gods. Tata savismayavishto hrishtaro dhananjaya pranamya shirasa devam kritanjalirabhashata. Then Arjuna, full of wonder and with hair standing on end, bowed his head with folded hands before the Lord and addressed him thus. Arjuna Vacha Pashyami Devanstva Dehe Sarvanstatha Bhuta Vishesha Sanghan Brahmanamisham Kamalasanastham Rishinsha cha Sarvanurangascha Divyan. Arjuna said, O Shri Krishna, I behold within your body all the gods and hosts of different beings. I see Brahma seated on the lotus flower. I see Shiv, all the sages, and all the celestial serpents. Aneka bahudar vaktra netram pashyami tvam sarvato nantarupam nantam na madhyam na punastavadim pashyami vishveshvara vishvarupa. I see your infinite form in every direction, with countless arms, stomachs, faces and eyes. O Lord of the universe, whose form is the universe itself, I do not see in you any beginning, middle or end. Kiritinam gadinam chakrinam cha तेजोराशिं सर्वतो दीप्तिमन्तं पश्यामि त्वां दुर्निरीक्षयं समन्तात् दीप्तानलार्कदयुक्तिम् अप्रमेयम्. I see your form adorned with a crown and armed with a club and disc, shining everywhere as the abode of splendor. It is hard to look upon you in the blazing fire of your effulgence, which is radiating like the sun in all directions. Tvam aksharam paramam veditavyam, त्वमस्य विश्वस्य परं निधानं, त्वम् अव्यय शाश्वत धर्मगुप्ता, सनातनस्त्वं पुरुषो मतो मे. I recognize you as the supreme imperishable being, the ultimate truth to be known by the scriptures. You are the support of all creation. You are the eternal protector of Sanatan Dharma, the eternal religion, and you are the everlasting supreme divine personality. Anadimadhyantamanantaviryam anantabahum shashisuryanetram pashyami tvam deeptahutashavaktam swatejasa vishwamidam tapantam. You are without beginning, middle, or end. Your power has no limits. Your arms are infinite. The sun and the moon are like your eyes, and fire is like your mouth. I see you warming the entire creation by your radiance. Dyava prithivyor idam antaram hi व्याप्तं त्वयैकेन दिशश्च सर्वाः दृष्ट्वाद्भुतं रूपमुग्रं तवेदं लोकत्रयं प्रवयथितं महात्मन्. The space between heaven and earth and all the directions are pervaded by you alone. Seeing your wondrous and terrible form, I see the three worlds trembling in fear, O greatest of all beings. Amihi tvam surasangha vishanti kechid bhitah pranjalyo grinanti swastita yuktva maharshi siddha sanghaha stuvanti tvam stutubhiv pushkalabhihi. All the celestial gods are taking your shelter by entering into you. In awe, some are praising you with folded hands. The great sages and perfected beings are extolling you with auspicious hymns and profuse prayers. Rudraditya vasavo ye cha sadhya vishveshvinau marutaschoshma pascha gandharva yaksha surasiddha sangha वीक्षन्ते त्वां विस्मिताश्चैव सर्वे. The Rudras, Adityas, Vasus, Sadhyas, Vishwadevas, Ashwini Kumars, Maruts, ancestors, Gandharvas, Yakshas, Asuras, and Siddhas are all beholding you in wonder. Rupam mahate bahuvaktra netram महाबाहो बहुबाहुरूपादं बहुदरं बहुदंष्ट्राकरालं दृष्ट्वा लोकाः प्रव्यथितास्तथाहम्. O mighty Lord, in veneration of your magnificent form, with its many mouths, eyes, arms, thighs, legs, stomachs, and terrifying teeth, all the worlds are terror-stricken, and so am I. Nabhasprisham deeptamanekavarnam vyattananam deeptavishalanetram drishtva hitvam pravyathitantaratma dhritim na vindami shamam cha Vishnu. O Lord Vishnu, seeing your form touching the sky, effulgent in many colors, with mouths wide open and enormous blazing eyes, my heart is trembling with fear. I have lost all courage and peace of mind. द्रष्टा करालानि च ते मुखानि दृष्ट्वैव कालानलसन्निभानि दिशो न जाने न लभे च शर्म प्रसीद देवेश जगन्निवास. Having seen your many mouths bearing your terrible teeth, resembling the raging fire at the time of annihilation, I forget where I am and do not know where to go. O Lord of Lords, you are the shelter of the universe. Please have mercy on me. Ami cha tvam dhritarashtrasya putraha सर्वे सहैवावनिपालसङ्घैः भीष्मो द्रोणसूतपुत्रस्तथासौ सहास्मदीयैरपि योधमुख्यैः. I see all the sons of Dhritarashtra along with their allied kings, including Bhishma, Dronacharya, Karna, and also the generals from our side. वक्त्राणि ते त्वरमाणा विशन्ति द्रष्टा करालानि भयानकानि केचिद्विलग्ना दशनान्तरेषु सन्दृश्यन्ते चूर्णितैरुत्तमाङ्गैः. They are all rushing headlong into your fearsome mouths. I see some with their heads smashed between your terrible teeth. Yatha nadinam bahavombuvegaha samudramevabhimukha dravanti tatha tavami naralokavira vishanti vaktranaya abhivijvalanti. As many waves of the rivers flowing rapidly into the ocean, so are all these great warriors entering into your blazing mouths. Yatha pradiptam jvalanam pratanga vishanti nashaya samriddha vegaha tathaiva nashaya vishanti lokas tavapi vaktrani samriddha vegaha. As moths rush with great speed into the fire to perish, so are all these armies entering with great speed into your mouths. Lelihase grasamana samantal lokan samagran vadaner jvaladabhihi तेजोभिरापूर्य जगत् समग्रं भासस्तवोग्राः प्रतपन्ति विष्णो. With your fiery tongues you are licking up the hosts of living beings on all sides and devouring them with your blazing mouths. O Vishnu, you are scorching the entire universe with the fierce, all-pervading rays of your effulgence. Akhyahi me ko bhavanugrarupo namostu te devavar prasida Vijñatum ichchami bhavantamadhyam nahi prajanami tava pravrittim. Tell me who you are, so fierce of form. O God of gods, I bow before you. Please bestow your mercy on me. You who existed before all creation, I wish to know who you are, for I do not comprehend your nature and workings. Shri Bhagavanuvacha Kalosmi lokakshaya krit pravriddho lokan samahartu miha pravrittaha ऋतेऽपि त्वां न भविष्यन्ति सर्वे येऽव स्थिताः प्रत्यनीकेषु योधाः. The Supreme Lord said, I am mighty time, the source of destruction that comes forth to annihilate the worlds. Even without your participation, the warriors arrayed in the opposing army shall cease to exist. Tasmat tvam uttishth yasho labhasva jitva shatrun bhungshva rajyam samridham मैवैते निहताः पूर्वमेव निमित्तमात्रं भव सव्यसाचिन्. Therefore, arise and attain honor. Conquer your foes and enjoy prosperous rulership. These warriors stand already slain by me, and you will only be an instrument of my work. O expert archer! द्रोणं च भीष्मं च जयद्रथं च कर्णं तथान्यानपि योधवीरान् मया हतांस्त्वं जहिमा व्यथिष्ठा युध्यस्व जेतासि रणे सप्तनान्. Dronacharya, Bhishma, Jayadratha, Karna and other brave warriors have already been killed by me. So slay them without being disturbed. Just fight and you will be victorious over your enemies in battle. Sanjay Uvacha Etach Shrutva Vachanam Keshavasya Kritanjalir Vepamana Kiriti Namaskritva Bhuya Evaha Krishnam Sagat Gadam Bhita Bhitaf Pranamya. Sanjay said, hearing these words of Keshav, Arjun trembled with dread. With palms joined, he bowed before Sri Krishna and spoke in a faltering voice, overwhelmed with fear. Arjuna Uvacha Sthane Hrishikesha Tava Prakirtya Jagat Prahrishayatyanurajyate cha Rakshansi bhitani disho dravanti Sarve namasyanti cha siddha sanghaha. Arjun said, O Master of the senses, it is but apt that the universe rejoices in giving you praise and is enamored by you. Demons flee fearfully from you in all directions, and the hosts of perfected saints bow to you. Kasmachate nanameran mahatman gariyase brahmano pyadi kartre ananta devesha jagannivasa tvam aksharam sadasa tatparam yata. O Great One, who are even greater than Brahma, the original creator, why should they not bow to you? O limitless one, O Lord of the Devatas, O refuge of the universe, you are the imperishable reality, beyond both the manifest and the non-manifest. Tvamadidevah purushah puranaha Tvamasya vishvasya param nidhanam Vetasi vedyam cha param cha dhama Tvaya tatam vishvamanantarupa. You are the primeval God and the original divine personality. You are the sole resting place of this universe. You are both the knower and the object of knowledge. You are the supreme abode. O possessor of infinite forms, you alone pervade the entire universe. Vayuryamognir varuna shashankaha prajapatisthvam prapitamahascha namo namastestu sahasrakritvaha punascha bhuyopi namo namaste. You are Vayu, the god of wind, Yamraj, the god of death, Agni, the god of fire, Varun, the god of water, and Chandra, the moon god. You are the creator Brahma and the great grandfather of all beings. I offer my salutations unto you 1,000 times, again and yet again. नमः पुरस्तात् अथ पृष्ठतस्ते नमोऽस्तु ते सर्वत एव सर्व अनन्तवीर्या मितविक्रमस्त्वं सर्वं समाप्नोषि ततोऽसि सर्वः. O Lord of infinite power, my salutations to you from the front and the rear, indeed from all sides. You possess infinite valor and might and pervade everything, and thus you are everything. Sakheti matva prasabham yaduktam He Krishna he Yadav he Sakheti Ajanata mahimanam tavedam Maya pramadat pranayena vapi. Thinking of you as my friend, I presumptuously addressed you as, O Krishna, O Yadav, O my dear mate. I was ignorant of your majesty, showing negligence and undue affection. Yacchavaha sarthamasatkritossi viharashayyasan bhojaneshu ekothavapyachayuttat samaksham tatkshama etvam aham prameyam. And if jestfully I treated you with disrespect while playing, resting, sitting, eating, when alone or before others, for all that I crave forgiveness. Pitasi lokasya characharasya tvamasya pugyascha gurur gariyan na tvatsamostyabhyadika kutonyo lokatrayapya pratima prabhava. You are the Father of the entire universe, of all moving and non-moving beings. You are the most deserving of worship and the supreme spiritual master. When there is none equal to you in all the three worlds, then who can possibly be greater than you, O possessor of incomparable power? Tasmat pranamye pranidhaya kayam prasadaye tvam ahamishamidyam piteva putrasya sakheva sakhyuhu priyah priyayarhasi deva sodhum. Therefore, O adorable Lord, bowing deeply and prostrating before you, I implore you for your grace. As a father tolerates his son, a friend forgives his friend, and a lover pardons the beloved, please forgive me for my offenses. Adrishta purvam rishitosmi drishtva bhayena cha pravyathitam mano me tadeva me darshaya deva rupam prasidha devesha jagannivasa. Having seen your universal form that I had never seen before, I feel great joy, and yet my mind trembles with fear. Please have mercy on me, and again show me your pleasing form, O God of gods, O abode of the universe. Kiritinam gadinam chakrahastam ichchami tvam drashtumaham tathaiva tenaiva rupena chaturbhujena sahasrabaho bhava vishvamurte. O thousand-armed one, though you are the embodiment of all creation, I wish to see you in your four-armed form, carrying the mace and disc and wearing the crown. Shri Bhagavanuvāca Maya prasannena tavarjunedam Rupam param darshit matma yogat Tejo mayam vishvamanantamadhyam Yanme tvadanyena na drashtu purvam. The Blessed Lord said, Arjun, being pleased with you, by my Yog Maya power, I gave you a vision of my resplendent, unlimited and primeval cosmic form. No one before you has ever seen it. Na veda yajñadhyayanair na danair, na cha kriyabhir na tapobhirugraihi. Evam rupa shakya aham nriloke drashtum tvadanyena kuru pravira. Not by study of the Vedas, nor by the performance of sacrifice, rituals or charity, nor even by practicing severe austerities, has any mortal ever seen what you have seen, O best of the Kuru warriors. Mate vyatha macha vimudha bhavo Drashtva rupam ghoramidranam medam Vyapeta bhiv prita manaf punastvam Tadeva me rupamidam prapashya. Be neither afraid nor bewildered on seeing this terrible form of mine. Be free from fear and with a cheerful heart behold me once again in my personal form. Sanjay Uvacha Ityarjunam Vasudevasthathoktva Swakam Rupam Darshayamasa Bhuyaha Ashvasayamascha Bhitamenam Bhutva Puna Saumya Vapur Mahatma. Sanjay said, having spoken thus, the compassionate son of Vasudev displayed his personal four-armed form again. Then he further consoled the frightened Arjun by assuming his gentle two-armed form. Arjuna Vacha Drishtvedam Manusham Rupam Tav Saumyam Janardana Idanim Asmi Samvrattaha Sachetaf Prakritim Gataha. Arjun said, O Shri Krishna, seeing your gentle human form, two-armed, I have regained my composure and my mind is restored to normal. Shri Bhagavanuvāca Sudurdarshamidam Rupam Drashtavanasi Yanmama Deva Apyasya Rupasya Nityam Darshan Kankshinaha. The Supreme Lord said, this form of mine that you are seeing is exceedingly difficult to behold. Even the celestial gods are eager to see it. Naham vedairna tapasa nadanena na chejyaya shakya evam vidho drashtum Drishtvanasi mam yatha. Neither by the study of the Vedas, nor by penance, charity, or fire sacrifices can I be seen as you have seen me. Bhaktya tvananyaya shakya aham evam vidhorjuna Jnatum drashtum cha tatvena praveshtum cha parantapa. O Arjun, by unalloyed devotion alone can I be known as I am, standing before you. Thereby, on receiving my divine vision, O scorcher of foes, one can enter into union with me. Mat karma kranmat paramo mat bhakta sangha varjitaha nirvaira sarva bhuteshu yasamameti pandava. Those who perform all their duties for my sake, who depend upon me and are devoted to me, who are free from attachment and are without malice toward all beings, such devotees certainly come to me. Om Tat Sat Iti Srimad Bhagavad Gitasu Upanishadsu Brahma Vidyayam Yoga Shastre Shri Krishna Arjun Samvade Vishwarupa Darshan Yogo Nama Ekadashodhyayaha. Shri Krishna Arpanamastu. Harihi Om.